Ejected! The crowd is roaring in your head. Your phone lights up. One message, one line, and suddenly everything that mattered feels at risk. Your kids' routines, your weekends, your reputation, all on the line in an instant. Welcome to Danny's Den. Let's chat. Quick bit about me. I practice both criminal and family law, and I'm a parent. That mix is why I talk about court realities and bedtime routines in the same breath, because both matter. This episode is practical, not personalized legal advice. If you need case-specific help, get a licensed attorney. I'm making this a Danny first episode. One voice, lots of practical steps you can use tonight. I want to tell you a quick story, because this is real for people. I once met a dad who was at his son's little league game when the call came. He left the field shaking. The game stopped. His kid asked why dad was crying, and the family's routines collapsed for a week. It took months, tickets, school notes, practice rosters, to rebuild normal. That sudden and costly shock is what we're talking about today. First, breathe. Seriously, put one hand on your chest and breathe. Do not post. Do not answer every text. Instead, say, I want to sort this through the right channels, and I'll be getting legal advice. Keep it short and measured. That line buys you time, keeps the kids out of the drama, and signals responsibility to others who are watching. Call a lawyer within 24 to 72 hours if you can, sooner if police are involved. Even a short consult helps you avoid missteps that look bad later. If cost is a worry, many lawyers do brief paid or free consults. Use them to get immediate next steps. If an officer is at your door, keep it factual and brief. State your name, ask if you are under arrest, and politely request to speak with an attorney before answering detailed questions. Now, evidence habits you can start tonight. Open your phone and create a dated log. Time, one-line description, witness name. Do it tonight. Make a folder for screenshots, photos, and scanned receipts. Label everything with the date you saved it. Official records are gold. Ask the school for attendance records. Get medical visit copies. Save practice rosters, ticket stubs, babysitter notes, anything that proves where people were and when. Screenshot social posts and save the URL. Originals matter. Keep them safe. Recording laws vary. Do not assume you can record conversations. If your state permits one-party recordings, great, but check first. If you can't record legally, rely on contemporaneous notes and neutral witnesses, a teacher, coach, or neighbor who can confirm facts. Talking to the kids is crucial and delicate. Keep it simple and age-appropriate. Try, some adults are saying things that aren't true. We're sorting it out, but you are safe and loved. Repeat that reassurance. Ritual beats explanation for kids. Preserve rituals. Saturday pancakes, the pre-game playlist, the 5-minute car check-in. Pick one calming song as a household anchor. When it plays, it signals normalcy. Small rhythms protect kids' sense of safety. Do not badmouth the other parent in front of the children. I know it stings, but that damages long-term custody positions and wounds kids. If you need to vent, do it with your lawyer or a trusted friend, not in the pickup line. Simple scripts you can repeat. To an ex, please direct further communications to my attorney. To a teacher or coach, I appreciate factual records about dates and attendance. To police, I will cooperate. I'd like to speak with my attorney first. Calm, concise, consistent. If exchanges feel unsafe, ask for supervised handoffs or use a neutral public spot, like a school parking lot. Many communities have official exchange sites. Ask your lawyer about temporary orders when you're worried about immediate access. A plain English court note. Criminal court asks whether someone is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt and can lead to charges or arrest. Family court asks what's in the child's best interest and uses a lower evidence threshold. You may face both systems and should get counsel for each if necessary. A few practical habits to keep. Maintain a physical and digital legal folder. Write a short daily note so memories stay fresh. And keep your game day checklist. Water bottle, playlist, who was present. Routine equals credibility and comfort for kids. If you take nothing else, remember 3 things. Stay calm and brief in communications. Preserve contemporaneous records lawfully. Protect your children's routines and emotional safety. If an allegation lands, call a lawyer early, not to escalate, but to make sure your next steps are lawful and strategic. Start your contemporaneous log the same day. Sooner is better than later. Recap. Stay calm, document, and protect the kids' routines. If this is happening to you, reach out to licensed counsel. Sooner is better. If this helped, subscribe to Danny's Den so we can keep these practical conversations coming. Let's chat. Thanks for listening to Danny's Den. If you have a specific legal issue and want to see if I can help, email Danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation. You can also drop a comment below. Subscribe for more on law, parenting, sports, and pop culture. Let's chat.